Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen on your HONOR X7d. To start a screen recording, swipe down the control center from the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the screen recording icon. Then grant this feature all the permissions in settings. Go to permissions, see which ones aren't allowed. In this case it's microphone. Let's select allow when using the app, and then let's try to not the wrong icon. Let's try to start the screen recording again. And now using this quick settings bar, we can you can enable or disable the microphone. We can pause the video by tapping the pause icon. We can stop and save it by pressing the stop icon, or we can access more settings by tapping the three-dot icon right here. And we can show touches, we can record sound from the system, and we can also go to more settings, which will also allow us to hide notifications while screen recording and change the video quality here. Now the other way to start a screen recording is using gestures, and a gesture you have to perform in order to start a screen recording is double tap with tapping with two knuckles at the same time. Sometimes you take a screenshot instead, like this one time. And this gesture also starts a screen recording. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.